Hello friends, my name is Justine, I'm the Mermaid Seamstress, and today I got a package from Shop Vancouver Mermaid. So if you guys haven't already heard of shopvancouvermermaid.com, you should really go and check it out. It is a store by the wonderful, fantastic Courtney Mermaid over here on YouTube. She is a tail maker and a tail designer. She makes these absolutely stunning printed mermaid tails, and I ordered from her 2 pairs of leggings and 2 mermaid crop tops, and I'm so excited to share them with you because, I mean, already you can see they look absolutely gorgeous. I did order one more thing from her, but that is a surprise that I'm going to save until the end of the video, so make sure that you stick around. Now, let's get in to look at these in detail. Already, I can see that, like, you can see her awesome scale printed patterns. So she draws all of these patterns in Photoshop and then sends them to a clothing company, which prints them for her onto apparel. And they're just stunning. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. So I got 2 colors. I got the Beta Dragon leggings, and here they are. They're absolutely gorgeous. You can see how much detail is on each and every scale, and it's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. And then these have the yoga waistband, so they have her logo, Shop Vancouver Mermaid, on them, or the Vancouver Mermaid logo on them, and they have a high waistband, and it is super cute. And then they've got these beautiful, beautiful scales and sparkles. Look at those sparkles! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these leggings. They're so gorgeous, super duper cute, and look at the sparkles that they have. The printed sparkles, that makes them so cool. I love it so much. So this is the Beta Dragon. And I also got a blue Beta pair of leggings. They're the exact same style. They've got the yoga band waistband with the logo. And they're like this brilliant sapphire blue. They're so gorgeous. I love them so much. Look at all of the detailing. Do you see how much detail? There's so many different colors now on her website. She has these ones with the yoga waistband, and then she's got more like regular leggings. She's got more cartoon style scales. She's got more realistic scales than this, that they're absolutely stunning. She's got both the leggings and crop tops, and I actually got 2 crop tops. So here's the one that matches the Beta Blue, and I also ordered one to match these ones, but I don't see it. Where'd it go? Where's my other crop top? There it is! I actually got so excited that I did pull out one of the crop tops to show you guys. They're absolutely stunning. They come about here. I was actually really worried because both of these are the largest size that she offers, and I'm a pretty large girl. On her website, I got the larger size, which is an extra large, but according to the measurements, they weren't quite, they were just a tiny bit. I was anticipating them to be a tiny bit small, and I was a little bit worried about that. But fortunately, the crop top, which is like what I wanted, what I hoped most to fit, they fit perfectly. I absolutely love the crop top so much. Like, I am so thrilled with how it turned out. It fits super well. It's super comfortable, and I like a little bit more. It's not exactly a racer back, but it is like a regular crop top style back. I'll do a full body shot in a second. So I am gonna go and try on the leggings. Okay, so I have tried everything on, and I can't tell you, I am so impressed. The crop tops, as I said, fit perfectly. I'm now wearing the Beta Blue one, and they are so comfortable. Like, I could wear this the rest of the day. If it wasn't 5 degrees outside, you bet I'd be wearing it all the time. What's awesome about these are they are recyclable, so they are able to be recycled after you're done using them, which I think they're gonna last me for quite a long time, so I don't have to worry about that yet. But that's really eco-friendly, and that really makes me happy that she considered that, and I think it's really important to consider that. The other thing is that these are all chlorine resistant, so the leggings and the crop tops I'm able to swim in them, so that was kind of the point. The crop tops, as I said, fit perfectly. The leggings, unfortunately, are just a tiny bit tight. They are still wearable. I am so in love, and like I will totally be able to swim in them, and I'm so excited to be able to swim in these and to swim with them under my tail. I think it's gonna look fantastic. You know that like I often wear a lot of like blue and black tails, so the Dragon Beta top and leggings I actually got to work with my brand new Shop Vancouver Mermaid tail. I custom ordered it in October, and you've probably seen it around if you follow me and her on Instagram, or she's worked on it in a couple of her mermaid workshop videos, but I didn't announce it because I didn't know when it would come out, and it's almost finished, and it'll hopefully be out in the next month or so. So I'm so excited to get it. Her name is Lily Pad, and obviously I will have unboxings and first swim videos and review videos of both the leggings and the crop tops once I get to try them out in the water, as well as my new tail. And I'm so excited. I'm like trying not to cry because I just, her artwork is absolutely stunning. But all of these like crop tops and leggings and things are all available on shopvancouvermermaid.com. Go check it out. Go check out her awesome artwork. Go check out her leggings and her crop tops. And thank you so much, Courtney, for making and drawing and like creating such beautiful products. And stay tuned for my brand new Shop Vancouver Mermaid tail coming soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on Instagram, Twitter, Tumbler, and Facebook, all as the Mermaid Seamstress, except for my Twitter, which is @MermaidSeams. It'll be listed at the end of the video and in the description box below and in a lot of other places. So go and check me out there. I do special like behind the scenes stuff. I do announcements for my videos, and I do a lot of my giveaways when I do giveaways. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have anything by Shop Vancouver Mermaid, or if there are any other videos that you want to see me make in my Shop Vancouver Mermaid attire. I will try and do that. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click the bell notification button so that you don't miss any of the future videos that I have coming up with these amazing products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, fish friends. Mwah!